Hey, it's about 8:15 in the morning. It's already 35 degrees. I just moved the vehicle around so I can put the side awning on that I got for $100. The rear awning was really easy to put on, but it's getting hot, so I want to get this done as soon as I can so that I can use it today. Bolts I've got weren't long enough, so once again I'm stealing from my old seatbelt seat that I took out. Yeah man, I'm happy about that. I'm gonna have my first go at setting up my awning. So the guy that sold me this tarpaulin said it's not possible to put it up with just one person. That was my very first time, and even with a bit of breeze that was pretty easy, so yeah, pretty happy, very happy. Apparently there's a marine reserve out there too, diving on, so might go check that out.